before we provision the enterprise to data center network service, there are a few workarounds are necessary for Open-O Sun release. The first one is that the area in Sun release can't register to microservice bus automatically, so we need to register it to MSB microservice bus with the following script. So the first parameter is also the IP address of the MSB. The second parameter is the IP address used by the area container, area microservice. There's another workaround is that in the lab environment, the overlay driver talks with the VCP directly through the SSH, since the VCP doesn't provide the interfaces needed by the network controllers. So in this step, we will apply some workarounds so that the simulated controllers will be used by both VCP and CPE. More specifically, we need firstly open a bash to the container for the overlay driver. The container name for the driver is SDN-O Huawei overlay bash. Okay, we need to change this file, service device parameters.json. We use VI to change the device type of both equipment to SYNCPE so that the network controller can be used for both VCP and SYNCPE in the simulated environment. Now we can exit from the container of the driver. Then we need to restart this container so that it can take the new configuration. Sudo docker stop and the container name for this driver SDN-O overlay. Okay, we need first to stop it, then start it again. Okay, start it again. Okay, the last workaround is that for one network controller, when we simulate it, we must simulate as a HTTPS server, and we use the self-signed certificate. So we need to import its certificate to the trust store of Ubuntu. Okay, firstly, we need to create directory in the user share CA certificate extra. Okay, it's already existed. Also, previously we have also copied the certificate used by our simulator. Let's check. Yeah, the certificate has already been there. So we need to use following command to add this certificate. To the Ubuntu trust store. Configure CA certificate. Okay. You see here, yes. You can see we can enable the certificate used by our Moco server. Okay. So now we have applied all of the workaround. For the last workaround, it is a little risky since we add one certificate trust store. After demonstration, it's better to deactivate it through the same command. So anyway, now we are ready to demonstrate how to provision one enterprise to data center network service through the Open portal with a simulated network controller. Okay, now we go to the Open portal.